Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones Argon Audio Quiet Storm with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, just press this line or click Enter. After that, you need to click Add Device button at the right top. If you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. And in this window, you need to select Bluetooth. After that, at the right ear cup, we have Power button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light starts flashing white and red. So press and hold. Firstly, we turn on them, and now it should enter to prank mode. Here we go. And then we should see them at the device list. Right here we have them. Tap at your headphones. And then click Done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.